Yo, what up YouTube? It is your boy Don C coming live from the Jeep, man. Today I got a special video for myself, and not only for myself, also my Jeepers out there. Y'all, today in this video I'm going to be attempting my very first oil change on my Jeep. You know what I'm saying? Save the applause, save the applause. But y'all, today I'm going to be attempting my very first oil change. It's something I've always wanted to do and give a try because I don't think it's that difficult. You know what I mean? Like at the end of the day, when you go to the shop, the people that change your oil had to learn too. So it's nothing for me to learn. I like learning new things. Also in this video, y'all, we're going to find out whether it's cheaper to change your oil on your own or to just take it to the shop, man. Right now, we're on the way to AutoZone to give it a shot. So let's go get what we need, man. Yeah, y'all, so we in AutoZone now. He said I probably need about 5 quarts of oil. So the first step is getting that oil, and I think I might need an oil pan. So let's go find it real quick. All right, y'all, so far we have 48. And this, like I said, this stuff here is a one-time buy. This was $30, y'all, so 48. When I go get my oil change, it's like 80-something bucks, so. Okay, y'all, so you see here, I spent $50.51. So I've already saved about 40 bucks from going in the shop, man. But you can see most of this stuff is one-time buy items. So with that being said, is next time I perform an oil change, only thing I would have to get is oil, and you see it'll only be $37.99. So that already is a lot of money saved. So if this goes well, y'all can definitely see Don C in the future changing his oil more often, because like I said, y'all, a lot of this stuff was one-time buy items, like the funnel, the oil pan. These are things I didn't have. What else did I have to get? I think the oil pan. Oh yeah, also the filter, y'all. So I probably would have spent like 40-45 bucks. When I go to the shop, this shit is like $80. So I already saved money. I'm excited about that. So let's see if this oil change goes just as smooth, man. So let's head to the house now. All right, y'all. First thing first, you know, gotta pop the hood. I think the first thing you're gonna be looking for is the oil filter. Let's do that real quick. There, it's down. And I really need another clip down here, so you can see this shit here is floppy. The clip, I don't know who messed that up. In my truck, y'all, that shit messed up. But if you come here, I already can see right now, y'all, this right here. This is the oil filter. I'm gonna go ahead and get this out of here, but I gotta see what size socket I'm gonna need, so let's do that real quick. Okay. All right, y'all, so to take that filter off, we need a 24mm socket. I'm trying to get this off now. And of course, I don't have the right tools, y'all, so you see Don C always gotta make something work, of course. What? Filter didn't come out. Ooh, it's a little warm. Take it on out. There it is right there, y'all. That's what an oil filter looked like. My first time I've really seen what one looked like, honestly. All right, y'all, so I'm unboxing the new oil filter. This is what it looked like here. And new one, if it come out, you'll see it comes with a ring. And that new ring will go around here, which I guess is like the oil filter head, what the oil filter sits into. So I will roll that ring off. So, all right, y'all, so we got that old ring off. So this should be trash now. So we just sit this off in here. Clean it out if you want to. I don't really have any brake cleaner like that, but I do have shop towels, so give it a little clean. Before we go into the car, under the Jeep to start draining the oil, I guess we can go ahead and slide this new O-ring on. So we'll slide it on here. Just a little bit. And it should roll right into the spot. And it should seat right into it. Just like that, huh? Bingo. Push it on there. Oh.
Yeah.
Okay, yeah. That's how y'all put a new filter in, y'all. It should just pop in. Thought you had to screw it, but just pop in there, just like that. All right, so let's go ahead and get up under this truck, y'all. All right, y'all, mine actually, under here, it's actually a 16. So we're gonna get here and make sure your wrench going the right way. That's tighten it. You don't want to tighten it no more, so I'm gonna go here. shit, boy. Hold on, y'all. Oh, shit. Oh, there you go right there, y'all. Shit.
You trying to take it out slow?
Yeah. I'm in a bad spot. Fuck. Yeah, I got a crook in my neck too. This is not comfortable. Let me get right there. Let me get right. Go ahead. So it's loose, y'all. Get it out. Ah, I got fucking oil on me. Fuck! Look at that motherfucker drain, y'all. That motherfucker peeing. Don't be down there playing around trying to take it out like slow. Go on ahead and take the little oil cap out. And the oil will come out. But you see, y'all, I got oil on me. I gotta hurry up and get it off. But you can see the threads. This is mainly what they check for. Make sure your thread and stuff is still good. And everything looks good, y'all. Of course, I need to clean it up. So I'm gonna get this cleaned up real quick and let that drain on out, y'all. It came out pretty fast too. I didn't expect that, so. All right, y'all can see it's just about done leaking. You see I made a little mess right there. Gotta clean that up. But this is the oil here. Still got a little drip going, so I'll probably give it about 5 more minutes and then I'll get it up. Here is the old oil. Y'all see it, shit nice and dirty. I'm just gonna get this out the way for a second, and once we get this out the way, get back under the Jeep, put the oil plug back in, then we're gonna go back up there, put the filter in, and then put in some new oil, y'all. Let me get rid of this first. Now, thread's looking good. See, good thread in. So let's get this back on. Like I said, y'all, under here, I noticed a while back when I went off-roading, because of TJ, who's actually recording now, I got a damn oil leak when we went off-roading, y'all. That's just so crazy.
That shit was not because of me, bitch.
Wipe some of this shit up because of him. It is his fault, y'all.
Roll the clip.
100% his fault.
Roll the clip.
I can't believe that shit, man. And of course they want thousands of dollars to get that fixed, y'all, but I gotta get it fixed eventually. But you wanna come here and lightly make sure your thread lining up. Nice, get it in there. Hand tighten it. And once you get in there, hand tighten, you wanna come back and hit it with the wrench. Like I said, y'all don't wanna go too crazy, y'all, but you'll know when to stop. About right there, that's good. Probably about an extra turn, maybe about an extra half turn. All right, y'all, so now that I got my new filter ready, you come close here, and you can see, this is the groove I was talking about. You know what I'm talking about, y'all. Like, literally roll right into it whenever you put your new ring on there. But what you're gonna do is pop open your new oil. And of course, y'all, if you're a Jeeper, don't cheap out. Get the best oil it is. You know what I mean? It's only $32. It's not like a real deal oil change where you're paying 80 or probably 100 for some people. But you want to come here, you want to get a little bit of oil. Just take like a little dip on the finger, dip your pinky in there or something. You just want to rub it around that ring. Get it nice and moist. So that way it won't, dry up or get caught on anything whenever we go to reinsert it. So that there should be enough. Snug, like you say, you push it in, not twist. You should hear a click. And let's go put it back in. So here's, since we up here, I guess I'll take a look now. We're gonna come here, you see engine oil, obviously, guys. Engine oil. And right here it says SAE 0W20. Can y'all see that? Can you see that?
Yeah. I got a shot of the oil.
Okay, so yeah, it's 0W20. And of course we got the mobile one. That was the most expensive one in there. And it's also rated for 10,000 miles. Instead of you going to the, you know, the shop and they're gonna tell you 3,000 miles because they want more money. It says it right here, y'all. Protect for 10,000 miles, guaranteed. Advanced full synthetic. So let's go ahead and get this back in. Also, we're gonna get that out of there. Boom. Just snap right into it, y'all. So y'all can feel it. So next, we're gonna get a car start. You know, they ask you to rev it up to like 2,000 RPMs. And after that, we'll check the oil level and hopefully we're good. Got the oil in there. I wiped the oil stick. Where did I wipe it at? A little dirty, so that's before though. So I got my helper in here. You know, still, so he gonna crank it up for me. All right, y'all. You see that, man? That's crazy. Y'all gotta hit the like and subscribe for that boy Donnn. See now, got that fresh oil in there. Give it a little wipe so y'all know. Look at that, butter. So if y'all need an oil change, you know what to call your boy Donnn C, man. Make sure y'all hit that like and subscribe for your boy Donnn C. First oil change. So I'm gonna get the hood and everything closed up, clean this up for a little bit, y'all, and tell y'all my review and how I felt about my first oil change. All right, YouTube, my review on my first oil change was, it wasn't as bad as I thought it was gonna be. Like I said, I expected it to be easier than I thought it was gonna be. I thought it was gonna be a lot more difficult, but really the hardest part was finding the right spot to put your oil pan, because at first it shoots out forward, but as the stream starts to slow down, it started going the other way for some reason, which was crazy. And I got a little bit of oil on the concrete in the garage, which is not good. But so now I gotta find a way to clean that up. But other than that, y'all, I think that's something that everybody should start giving a try, especially if you have a lifted Jeep, man. Go ahead and give it a try, because it's not that hard, man, and it's a lot cheaper for people who get tired of going to these car shops and paying them almost $100 for an oil change. That's just crazy to me, especially now that I know how to do an oil change. That $100 is definitely going down to $30. You know what I mean? So I hope this video was helpful, and if you're thinking about changing your oil, make sure you watch my video, your boy Donnn C. Make sure you hit that like and subscribe, man. We out of here. Also in this video, y'all, we're gonna find out whether it's cheaper to change your oil on your own or just take it to the fucking ops. Did I just say to the fucking ops? Still, so he gonna crank it up for me. Oh yeah.